We're down here on the banks of the beautiful Derwent River. We have a fantastic opportunity for a first home buyer or an investor just up the road. Let's go and take a look. G'day, Dallas Joiner, Roberts Real Estate. Welcome to my brand new listing, 21 4th Avenue in New Norfolk. This 3-bedroom home has a new roof, nice level yard. Let's go inside and take a look. For more information on this brand new listing, 21 4th Avenue, Norfolk, please don't hesitate to give me a call. Dallas Joiner, Roberts Real Estate.